Hey guys, welcome back to Morganic Essentials, where we make real food recipes. And today we are making my all-time favorite snack, stovetop popcorn. It's super simple, quick, easy, and no seed oils. So I'm gonna show you how. Okay, literally all you need is a 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels and a teaspoon of ghee. I like ghee because I like buttered popcorn. You could also use butter, you could use coconut oil, you could use avocado oil. This recipe is very forgiving. So we're gonna heat up our ghee in a pot. You're gonna need a pot with a lid. Drop your popcorn kernels in, put the top on, and you're gonna turn the heat up on high. It's gonna start popping. You wanna shake the pot around just so the kernels don't get stuck to the bottom and start burning, but it's not gonna take long, about 5 minutes or so. And once you hear like at least a few seconds of silence, you know your popcorn's probably done. You wanna check it. And then I just drop it in a bowl and add a little bit of sea salt. And you don't need to add any more oil because your ghee is the oil and it adds that really delicious, nutty, buttery flavor. And that's literally it. You could eat it just like this. The texture is crispy, but also like light and fluffy. These little fluffy parts. That was a good piece too. They had a little extra ghee on there, so it's real buttery. If you want to keep it low calorie, I'm telling you, it tastes buttery and you don't have to add any more oil because the oil is what makes it calorie dense, right? So if we're not adding a lot of oil and we have just enough to get it popping and add that flavor, you can add more flavors with the spices you use. You don't have to add more oil. I promise you, it's gonna stick. You use a teaspoon of ghee, you're gonna have that buttery, rich, delicious flavor. This could be a great snack mix base. So I take this and I add like a serving of whatever other chip that I like, and I'll mix it all up in there. We're not eating a ton of that chip. We're getting a serving. We're mixing it up with the popcorn that's adding fiber, but that way it keeps it low calorie. Sometimes I'll add some hot sauce, or you can add like Parmesan cheese and parsley or whatever seasonings. This is one of my favorite seasoning blends I'm gonna show you now. So you can add a little cayenne pepper for a little kick, a little garlic powder, and a little chili powder. So that's one of my favorite blends that I will add to my popcorn as well, especially if I'm just eating the popcorn. I'm not adding any other chips or anything to it. I'll also do nutritional yeast if you want a little cheesy flavor without the cheese. This took, what, 5 minutes from top to bottom, and you have a whole bowl of delicious fresh popcorn. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out our channel. And definitely check out our other videos. We got some more here and here. Eat well, be well, and I'll see you next time.